Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are cooking up something super tasty, lotus root curry. I grabbed this frozen lotus root from a local Asian grocery store and it's going to be the star of our dish. As soon as you open the lotus root packet, drop the slices straight into the water. That way they won't turn brown. Let's take a quick look at what we are using today. We have onion, green chilies, chopped garlic, pandan leaves, curry leaves cut nice and thin, tomato, pink salt, mustard seeds, chili powder, roasted curry powder, cumin powder, turmeric, fenugreek seeds, coriander powder, coconut milk, and some water. Remember to wash lotus root first and then add them into a pan. Add enough water to cover them. Then toss in half a teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Turn the heat up to high and let it boil for about 10 minutes, just until the lotus root softens a bit. Once that's done, drain the water and set the lotus root aside. Now, heat up some coconut oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. When the mustard seed starts popping, throw in the garlic and stir it for a bit. Then add green chilies, curry leaves, and pandan leaves. Stir the mixture for a bit and then add the onion and saute until it turns a nice light brown, about 5 minutes. As you can see now, the onion is soft and light brown. Then we are going to add the tomato and cook it down a little. Now it is time to add all the spices. Add some salt and mix everything well. Now we are going to add the lotus root. Mix everything well. At this stage, put some water and then close the lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Then add in the coconut milk, give it a good stir and let it simmer uncovered for about 30 minutes. Also make sure to stir randomly. And that's it. After 30 minutes, your delicious lotus root curry is ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed cooking with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.